Kashmir, a paradise on earth. It's a region of breathtaking natural beauty, rich cultural heritage, and complex historical significance. Nestled in the northernmost part of the Indian subcontinent, it is known for its snow capped mountains, lush valleys, serene lakes, and vibrant traditions. Kashmir lies mostly in the Himalayas and shares borders with India, Pakistan, and China. The region is divided into several parts, primarily administered by India, Pakistan, and China. The Indian administered part includes Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh, while Pakistan controls Azad Jammu and Kashmir and Gilgit Baltistan. China controls the Aksai Chin region. The region is rich in natural beauty with the Vale of Kashmir surrounded by the Pir Panjal and Jaffran ranges. Majestic rivers like the Jhelum, Indus and Chenab. Iconic lakes, Dal Lake and Walur Lake. Fertile valleys, apple orchards, saffron fields and pine forests. Kashmir has a long history. It was an ancient center of Hinduism and later a hub for Buddhism. In the 14th century, Islam became dominant under the rule of Sultanate kings. The region became part of the Mughal Empire in the 16th century, then passed to the Afghans, Sikhs, and eventually to the Dogra dynasty under the British Raj. In 1947, during the partition of British India, Kashmir became a point of contention between India and Pakistan, leading to multiple wars and ongoing disputes. The instrument of accession signed by Maharaja Hori Singh led to Kashmir's integration with India, which Pakistan contests. The people of Kashmir are as beautiful as its landscapes, resilient, artistic, and deeply spiritual. From the delicate threads of pashmina to the elaborate flavors of wazwan, Kashmiri culture is a rich tapestry woven with tradition, music, and craftsmanship. For travelers, Kashmir is a dream. Whether you are gliding on a shikara in Srinagar, skiing in Gulmarg, or meditating in a remote monastery in Ladakh, every experience is unforgettable. Tourism is slowly thriving again, bringing hope and livelihood to its people. Kashmir remains one of the most militarized and contested regions in the world. The Indo-Pak conflict over Kashmir has led to decades of unrest, displacement and violence. In August 2019, the Indian government revoked Article 370, which had given Jammu and Kashmir special autonomy. This move was controversial and led to political changes and a heavy security presence. Despite challenges, many locals continue to hope for peace, development and stability in the region. Kashmir is a land of contrast, of peace and unrest, hardship and hope, but its soul remains untouched. For those who visit, Kashmir offers more than scenery. It offers perspective, resilience, and an eternal connection to nature and spirit. This is Kashmir, timeless, resilient, and forever beautiful. Thanks for watching the video.